Hey, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some crucial information to share with you that affects millions of smartphone users out there, especially if you own a Tecno, Infinix, or Itel phone manufactured by the Chinese company Transsion. I'm Tarbexi, and let's dive into today's eye-opening topic. You may not be aware, but there are at least 3 pre-installed apps on these phones that raise some serious security concerns. We're talking about the PHX, Infinix, Browser, Palmstore, and App Update. Now, let's break down why these apps should be on your radar. First up, App Update. It's not your regular app. It's embedded in the device's Android settings, making it a system app. This means it's virtually impossible to uninstall without rooting your phone. But that's not the worst part. App Update can automatically acquire Android permissions without your consent, even if you've manually disabled it. This app is notorious for auto-installing the other 2 apps, Infinix Browser and Palmstore, and granting them Android permissions that you never explicitly agreed to. Let's do a quick check. Head over to your Android settings, under Apps and Notifications, tap on either Infinix Browser or Palmstore, and under App Details, see where the app was installed from. Does it say app installed from Google Play Store or app installed by App Update? But it gets worse. App Update has a notice of privacy policy that pops up in the Android settings. Whether you accept the policy or not, this app operates freely on your device. Canceling and not accepting the policy has no effect, which is a blatant breach of privacy. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay informed about issues like these. Stay safe out there, and until next time, I'm Tarbexi. Thanks for watching.